Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. And there's actually two different ways you can do it. So we're going to start off with the simple one that basically works on every device, which is holding power key and volume down. You will see the screen flash, and then your screenshot can be found in the photo gallery, which I have right here. And that's what I just took. As you can see, it's basically home screen. And the second one will be with your palm, swipe it. So I'm gonna try to do that though while being on a camera. Maybe it's gonna be easier. Okay, I don't know if you've seen that flash kind of thing. I'm gonna try that once more, maybe the light out of the way. Okay, that's basically the screenshot, as you can see. And again, it can be found in the gallery as well. Just mind the fact that there will be three now because I took one while off the camera. So that is basically the two ways you can take a screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.